there, I am Anwar Kamran and I am in Al Balad, Jeddah right now. And this is considered a historical place in Jeddah. That's all I know for now. And that's it. Let's just explore the streets of Al Badad. Al Badad, right? I don't think I'm pronouncing it right. This is like an old town in Jeddah. It has pretty streets. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just recording myself walking around, I guess. The streets are so good, like old architecture. Oh, is that a pigeon? Damn. And honestly, I came here by an Uber, and the Uber driver was so chill. Like, he literally offered me a red drink, which said beer. I don't know what that was, but I'm kind of liking this place, to be honest. Wow, look at this. Those lights, and to be honest, I'm just recording this to uh, get rid of my social anxiety, and this area is monitored by CCTV, I guess. Al Balad district number 2. I don't know, I'm just confused, to be honest, at this time, because I'm not used to making vlogs. There are people playing dominoes here. This is also so pretty. So the thing about Al Balad is it is mostly historical buildings in a way, like maybe 500 years old. That's what ChatGPT says. So I don't know, maybe that's true. But you have this. I don't think this is the old ones. This kind of looks new, or maybe it's well maintained. I don't know. Okay, my bad. Okay, I think that's Aba Jadid, maybe. Let's go there. Actually, Al Badid is literally old town in Arabic. So yeah, I get it why it is named that, because it literally has this old town vibe, and old buildings, architecture. I mean, this is a pretty calm place to walk around and have chill. I was thinking about getting a drink back there, but yeah, I'll see it. I actually had a drink, like I booked an Uber here, and the driver was very nice. His name was Saf. He was literally so nice. He offered me a drink. It was a red drink, I don't know, named some beer or something like that. Oh, actually, there are some vehicles, I don't know what you call them, but on which you can travel. But I guess I'll just walk around, because I believe walking gives you more raw experience than just going on a car. That will be so quick, you can't even see the streets properly. I like the lights here. They are not switched on yet, but those are. To be honest, I'm completely lost right now, so I'm just following where those cars are going in order to experience the city. Okay, so these blocks are made up with concrete, I think so. I don't know exactly, but yeah. And I think this is a museum or something like that, but it seems closed, so I don't know really what is it. There are actually many tourists here. Obviously, it is a tourist place, but I don't know. Like, this looks cool, and even that looks cool. I'm really curious if somebody lives in these houses, because it doesn't look like anybody lives here. I mean, obviously I can't go inside and check, but I don't know, if somebody lives here. I'm genuinely confused. Oh, this looks so good, like this shot. Damn. That one chair over there looks so out of context, but it also looks so good, like zoom out shot. But yeah, this, I think I'm gonna try something there later, not right now. Right now I'm just gonna, but yeah, even this building is out of context, like green, but it is. I really love, the combination of, I guess, off-white or cream. What do we call this color? But this with brown, dark brown. Like, I think I'm gonna paint this my house like, brown and off-white. Like, how do vloggers vlog? I don't really have anything to say apart from noticing and observing. But yeah, I think people watch videos more for their own nostalgia. Maybe this video is seen by many people who once lived in Jeddah. This is good. I like the street light, how it is. I really want to know what this place looks like at night, which we will know within 1 or 2 hours since it's the sunset time. But yeah, like, I love this house so much, like this tree supporting this house with an good angle. I'm in love with old architecture and I'm loving this place really. This has to be my favorite house in all of Al Balad, I guess, because like this side you have this cream and off-white with dark brown windows. Like, it's not even dark brown. I'm bad with colors. And this side it is same, but it just looks completely different from both sides. Like, I'll show you both sides. Look at this side first, and now maybe look at this side. Maybe it's because of that tree and the lights which are different, but it looks so different from two sides. Like, it literally looks like two different houses if you look at two different photos of them from different angles. Okay, I don't think we can go over there. It is someone's personal property. Oh, we have graffiti here. Okay, that's cool. Deya 1 2010, something like that. Okay, this looks cool. Wait, I'll take cat with a head of pigeon, and this is also a cat, I guess, with a pigeon. Oh, okay, I just noticed there's a rat behind this cat. Oh damn, now is the perfect angle for this. We have literally here this painting which actually tells us about the old Jeddah. Like, you can see there are people selling and buying products from the market, fishermen, and it's just the whole market and just represent how old Jeddah used to look like. You can see a mother carrying her child and two more kids actually, and so much. I love this art so much, like, it's so good. And there's a part which was ripped out, I guess. There are books carried by two young men, and I don't know what that is, but and what does this means, like two faces? I'm confused. But so this is just how old Jeddah used to look if we imagine in this way. I love this old artwork so much. Like, I wish I could just go back in time, you know, the old streets. Okay, we have something here. Dominoes is played a lot by the Arabs, so maybe that's why it is there. But I don't get. Maybe this is some biscuit which is famous. He left his Insta there, but yeah, like this is something. My Uber driver gave me the same drink, like this red one. I don't know like what it is made up of, but yeah, there are some seeds which I don't know obviously what that are. Yeah, this place is cool. Like, it's good. There's a cat fight going on over there. Should I walk within? Should I interrupt the fight or should I not? Like, please don't fight, please. Like, this is a tourist place. If you fight here, you're kind of going to scare the foreigners. Okay, I think I scared you. Yeah, this one is good. Like, he or she didn't ran. I want to pet that black cat. Okay. And I love they have this, you know, cat feeding station over here. Like, every street has one. They really care about the cats. I love this, you know, just walking around and viewing old architecture. I can literally work as a tourist guide, but I don't know, like, would it make me happy if I do it in the same place every day? And what I love about this place is it's not that much crowded. Okay, I'm not gonna go there, but this also looks good. Like the whole street. As soon as I walk past there, oh, so damn, I was about to stamp a cat. Is it a bull or? Yeah, it's a bull, I guess. And what is that? I don't know. This is a horse, that I can tell, but I don't know. Is it a fish or? I'm really confused. Like, what is this? So this is kind of a small, you know, place to have some food, which is pretty aesthetic. Okay, we are back here. I guess we'll have some Saudi national dish before leaving this place. Okay, just give me 5 minutes, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm so confused, guys. Like, yeah. I think I'll go with Magash.
مقاش
Yeah, one Magash.
في مقاش يا شيف
Cash.
كاش اوكي
I swear to God, I'm never gonna order food again. This is so embarrassing, you know, like I can't even order properly. Okay, I guess my food is here. Let's review it. Okay, so the food is here. We have plain rice, like white rice, I guess. And this is the magash or something like that. I don't know. I think I'm pronouncing it very wrong. Yeah, so let's try it. Okay, so I'm gonna try the meat first. I guess the camera angle is not really good. Is it hot? Huh? Hot. I'm so bad at communication. She literally asked me if I need salt, and I just had eaten the hot meat, and you know, it was really hot in my mouth, and I'm like, no, I don't want, but I really wanted salt. Now I don't know how to ask them. I guess I'm just gonna get this. But yeah, this is great. It's not like I don't like it, but I burned my tongue. Shut up. This was so awkward. She was literally, calling me out and, do you need salt? And I'm like, I need salt, but this is not the right moment. I can't talk, so I just said no. Yeah, that was really hot. The hell? My tongue is burned. It was really hot. I love this, whatever this is, magash or something like that. But food is really hot. Like, I shouldn't have eaten the first bite. The food is good, but it's just my tongue is burned, so I'm being careful. Garam. Very hot. They are literally watching me right now.